Look at this. This jacket gonna be my identity. We are unbreakable now.
Wow, it's cool, Jose, but it makes me sad. Like, seriously, we're gonna leave him soon.
Stop being so down all the time. You always kill the mood. Why can't you just be happy for once?
Statistically, Charlotte is right. Joy is temporary. Let me see your jacket.
Take this. Oh no, my jacket!
My bad.
My bad? This is awful. This is a bad sign. You smell like sad, expensive laundry. I should just worn my old hoodie. Why do bad things happen to good jackets?
You're fixing me. Break care. Stop making noise.
Ah. This is fast. We are late.
I'm still crying, but that's fine. I just want us to last forever.
Ah, she is really gone. She promised we were unbreakable.
She left without saying goodbye because she cares. She knew you had made a huge fuss, and she didn't want to see you cry.
Wait,
See?
I couldn't handle the goodbye. You know that I hate arguing with you, especially when I'm leaving. Keep this peace. It proves you were here. I love you guys.
she had to have the last word. Didn't she?